Hey you all, welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect Bookmap to Huobi. And if you want to do this, the first thing that we're going to do is we go right here to settings, manage plugins, and then we scroll down where we will find Huobi. Then right there we click on install and now he's downloading the plugin. There we click on OK, click this away, and now we go right here to connections and click on configure. Then right here we need to add a connection where we will search right here for Huobi, and oh damn, I already was there it is. Click on it and then we do OK. Because right now if you go to connections and we enable right here Huobi, you see right here in the bottom, now we click on OK, that they're standing HB. So if I'm holding my mouse right there, now Huobi is connected to Bookmap. So this is exactly how it works. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.